In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sync folder with Google Drive Android Productivity. By the end, you'll have a clean, reliable folder structure that stays in sync across devices and makes finding, sharing, and securing your files effortless. Start by heading to Google Drive Home, either in the app on your Android device or in a browser. This is your command center. From here, create 4 main folders to anchor your workspace: Clients, Marketing, Admin, and Finance. Think of these as departments in a well-organized office. Every file you create or receive should live under one of these top-level folders. Inside each, you can add subfolders later as needed, but keeping the top layer simple helps Drive sync quickly and keeps navigation fast on mobile. Next, commit to consistent file naming. A clear pattern makes your files instantly searchable and sorts them in a way that actually makes sense on Android. A reliable formula is date, topic, and version. For example, 2.26 to 02.26 word client name, proposal, V01. Use underscores or hyphens instead of spaces, avoid special characters, and keep names short but descriptive. When everything follows the same pattern, you'll scroll less and find more, especially when you're on the go. When it's time to collaborate, share entire folders rather than individual files. Sharing the folder means anything you add later is automatically included, so you don't have to resend links or worry about people missing the latest updates. It also keeps permissions consistent and reduces clutter in your shared list. Open the folder, use the share option, and add the people who need access. Done once, maintained forever. While sharing, set the right permission level. Viewer is perfect when someone only needs to read or download. Commenter lets them leave feedback without changing the content, which is great for reviews and approvals. Editor grants full control to create, edit, and organize files inside that folder. Assign permissions based on responsibility, not convenience. A good rule of thumb: default to viewer or commenter, and upgrade to editor only for those who actively manage the work. Here's a productivity boost. Use shared drives for teams. Unlike files in My Drive, shared drives are owned by the team, not an individual, so access doesn't break when people come and go. They're ideal for shared departments like marketing or finance, where multiple people contribute and need lasting, reliable access. If your organization supports it, set up team areas there and keep personal drafts in My Drive. With this structure in place, your folders stay tidy, your files sync smoothly to Android, and collaboration becomes safer, faster, and far less stressful.